and I rolled, the shirt. It's like oversized. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Brianna. It's very nice to meet you, but if not, hey, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome to my fall night routine video. I have not filmed a night routine video in a very long time. I think the last time I filmed one was sometime last year when I first started doing YouTube. But you know, these past couple of weeks, we've been settling into the new place. We've been trying to create a new routine for ourselves. And so I wanted to wait until we had more of a set routine to film one of these videos. But since we kind of got that figured out, I figured I would go ahead and film this. Morning routine video will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. As for how we're gonna start off the night, it's like 6 p.m. right now, and this is the fit check. I am wearing shorts underneath. I have literally had these exact pair of shorts since I was in high school. The sun is blazing outside right now, so I'm wearing these denim shorts. I believe they're from American Eagle, and then I threw on this rip curl shirt. It's like oversized, and it has like a fun little graphic in the back. And then I'm gonna bring my headphones and my phone, of course, which is literally dying as we speak. We're gonna go on a little hot girl walk with my dog Mokes, because he is a big part of my routines, especially in the morning and at night as we're kind of winding down for the day. Making sure he's all good and taken care of is very important, and it's really hard to keep a dog in an apartment. And so I want to use this video to kind of show how we make his life as comfortable as we can. So we're gonna go on a little hot girl walk with Mokes. This is Mokes. Oh, he's shaking my hand. This is Mokes, everybody. This is my dog. He's a Labrador Border Collie, and he is literally the love of my life. I love him. He is my baby, and he loves going on his walks. He's getting impatient right now because I keep saying the word walk and we're not going anywhere. So we are gonna go ahead and take him on a nice little walk to get some energy. This is our treat bag that we have. It's from Amazon, and it's so convenient. So we keep kibble in there, and then it just ties around your waist. You can adjust it in the back, and it also has his little poop bags. Now, something that has really helped us, especially with keeping like our space pretty clean, is wiping him down after we come home from walks, because I know some people that don't wipe their dogs whenever they come from a walk or whenever they let them back inside the house, but we've always made it a priority to wipe him down. Ever since we started taking him outside and letting him use the bathroom outside, we've always had like puppy wipes of some sort. Zane's mom is literally an angel, and she always is able to get us things, especially for Mokes, because you know, having a dog can add up. It's kind of expensive, but she taught us, instead of using puppy wipes because those are very expensive, to use baby wipes instead. She gave 3 of these ultra soft sensitive cleansing wipes to wipe Moki's feet. She gave 3 of these packages, so 6 of them in total, and we've been using them to wipe Mokes down after we come home from a walk. I have him hooked up to the door. If not, he's gonna run away because he doesn't like his paws being wiped, but it's important for keeping the house clean, keeping his paws clean. Yeah. I'm now out of the shower, if you couldn't tell, so I'm going to share with you guys my nighttime skincare routine. My nighttime skincare routine is nowhere near as extensive as my morning skincare routine is, but that's usually because I'm doing a lot of stuff during the day, and I usually put makeup on top of my skincare, so I really need my skin to be nice and like moisturized. And so the first product that I use on my face is the Kiehl's Ultra Pure High Potency Serum 5% Niacinamide. I just recently learned that you're supposed to put niacinamide on during AM and PM, and I've only been putting it on in the morning, so I'm going to start putting it on at night too to see if I notice a difference in my skin. Next, I go in with a moisturizer, and for nighttime I use the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion for dry to normal sensitive skin. I don't have dry to normal skin, I have very oily skin, but this is a very lightweight water-based moisturizer, and the one thing that's helped keep the oil on my face under control is switching to water-based products. Next up, I'm starting to get into the routine of putting eye cream on at night, because I do put eye cream on every single morning, but at nighttime I feel like it's just as important. So I'm going to be using the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado. This eye cream is literally so creamy, and I love the way that it makes my under eyes feel. My deodorant literally just got stuck in the drawer, and I just spent like 20 minutes trying to get it unstuck, but that's all figured out. And so the last part of my nighttime routine is my lash serum, and I use the one from The Ordinary. It's the multi-peptide lash and brow serum, and I would say that I'm definitely seeing a difference with this. I washed my hair tonight because it was very, very oily, so I'm going to go in with the Kristen S leave-in conditioner to help detangle my hair. I am going to go ahead and change out of my robe though into some PJs, so I will be right back. So tonight what I'm wearing is this set from Brandy Melville. It's a biker short slash cropped tank top set. I have mine in gray. I also have one in blue, and I also have a different color top. I have like a cream color top like this, but these sets are literally so comfortable. Okay, tonight for dinner, we are gonna be having some pesto pasta with some garlic bread, some homemade garlic bread. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make it because I swear that it's so much better than the store-bought ones. But we made pesto pasta the other night, so this recipe was super easy to make. So if I can find it, I will link it in the description for you guys to try. The ingredients that you're gonna need to make this is you're gonna need some sourdough bread. We get ours from Trader Joe's. You're gonna need some extra virgin olive oil, some grated Parmesan cheese, some shredded Parmesan cheese, onion powder and garlic powder, and the most important ingredient, you're gonna need some minced garlic. So in a bowl, I don't have any exact measurements for this, but in a small bowl, you're just gonna eyeball the amount of oil that you're gonna need. This just acts as a liquid base to help make it spread easier on the bread. I was gonna say it's not really necessary, but it is kind of necessary if you want it to be very easy to spread. But you can just put however much you think for however many pieces of bread you're gonna make. So since I'm doing 2 pieces of bread, I usually do like 2 small scoops of minced garlic. I love garlic, so if you're a garlic lover like me, add however much you're gonna need. And then I'm gonna take some of the grated Parmesan cheese, and once again, you're just gonna kind of eyeball it depending on how much bread you're using. So that is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of onion powder and some garlic powder. I'm not putting a lot of this. I'm just sprinkling it on top just to give it a little bit of flavor. And then you're gonna wanna go ahead and mix up the mixture. If it's too runny, add more grated Parmesan cheese. But if it's too dry, then add more olive oil. That's kind of the rule that I've been using. So this is the batch that I just made, and it's a little too runny. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more Parmesan cheese to this. Once your bread is coated, it's gonna look a little something like that. But this is how the bread is going to look. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the toaster oven. So mine is a toaster oven slash air fryer, but I'm gonna be using the toast setting. So I'm gonna use this knob to turn it. And I usually put it right to about medium. So I'm just gonna pop my bread in the toaster oven. If you don't have a toaster oven, I recommend baking it in the oven because you can't put it in like a regular toaster because all the cheese will fall out. But I'm gonna do it to about medium, and I'm just gonna let it cook. just got home from a really long day. But we've been watching Jurassic Park. We finished the Jurassic Park 1 last night, and I started watching the second movie today. So I think we're gonna finish watching it.
Is there something called...
Okay guys, so I just did all of my oral care, and Zane is currently taking Mokes on his last walk of the night. And so that is pretty much it for our night routine. We pretty much just hang out and kind of wind down during this time. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you so much, and I will see you next time.